what's up? My name is Celia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. I recently shopped ColourPop's palette sale. They had 50% off. So I ended up getting the Golden State of Mind. Now for this makeup look, I'm only going to be using this palette, nothing else. So if you bought this palette, I'm going to give you a little idea. And as usual, we are going to wing this because I don't plan out my videos. So I have opened this palette up and looked at it. However, I haven't tried any of the colors. So we're just going to pick 3 random colors and see what we can basically come up with. So for any of you who haven't seen this Golden State of Mind, it's very, very pretty. Like, look at that. On the back, it has all the names of the colors. These are all the colors. Obviously, they're all super cute and super glittery. So for today's look, I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm going to do a pinkish kind of look just because I feel like light pink suits my skin tone. Yeah, okay. So for the outer corner, I'm going to be taking this color, and this color is Mind Tricks. Let's do that.
She's cold as December.
I kind of like this because it's glittery, but it's like not too glittery where you feel like you can't walk out of the house with it. So that is the outside corners for now. Next, I'm gonna be going in the crease with this color right here. This color is called Tinker Time. Tinker Time.
I swear I've seen you before. Holding your shoes in your...
So that is how the second color looks when I blend it in. In person, in the mirror, it doesn't look like one color pink. It's like a really dusty pink, and then it goes into like a peach pink. But we're gonna move on to the third color, and the third color that I'm going to be using is this color right here. It's kind of like a light pink, and it is called Unsupervised. So I'm just gonna pat that on top of my lid and see what we get.
I'm lacking sincerity.
Ooh, I actually really like this eyeshadow. I think it came out so nice. I'm gonna go back in the outer corner with the same pink I started off with. Alright, I think we're good for the eyeshadow. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go off camera and put on my eyeliner, my mascara, and basically finish the look off for you guys. So before I go off camera, Influencer just sent me a box of Marc Jacobs lip crayons. Now, if you've seen Marc Jacobs makeup products, you know they cost a fortune, but Influencer is a site where they send you free makeup to try. So this is what I got in my box, and in the box there are 2 lip crayons from Marc Jacobs. So they sent me Flaming O, which is this kind of pink, and then they sent me Send Nudes, which is this mauve color, which is what I'm going to be putting on my lips today. If you are interested in this company, it's absolutely free. Yeah, all you have to sign up is your social media, so I'll definitely leave that in the section where I write like the links and stuff, so you can just go down there and check it out. Alright, now I'm going to finish my face. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Obviously, it's super subtle, super low-key, nothing too out there. The palette does have glitter in it, however, it's not too overwhelming where like you don't want to walk around the house because you look like a disco ball. It's not like that. Anyway, I really hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. It was super fast and super easy. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'm very happy to say that I am approaching 600. It might not be a lot for some people, but it's a lot for me. Yeah, if you have any video request ideas or anything, please leave it in the comments for me. But yeah, I really hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.